We'll guide you through how to fix the Dropbox login problem. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and try to log in with your credentials. If you're having trouble, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're entering the correct email and password. Sometimes a forgotten password can be the issue, so click on Forgot Your Password and follow the prompts to reset it. Make sure to check your email for the reset link and follow the instructions provided. If your credentials are correct but you're still facing issues, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This helps to eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing login issues. Open your browser settings, usually found in the top right corner, and look for the Privacy or History section. Here, you can find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies before clicking Clear. After that, close your browser and reopen it. Try logging into Dropbox again. If you're still having trouble, check if your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues, so head over to the browser's settings or help menu to check for updates. Download and install any new updates that are available. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it might be worth checking if Dropbox's servers are down by visiting a site like Down Detector. This can confirm if the problem is on their end rather than yours. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.